Most repair shops do not have a content team. But what if one service page could become a video, an infographic, and a slide deck in minutes? The article's biggest lesson is simple. Mobile marketing gets easier when you repurpose what you already have. Upload a service page, pricing PDF, or project write-up into Notebook LM, and it can generate a video overview, infographic, or slide deck. That means one source can become YouTube content, mobile-friendly social posts, waiting room visuals, and customer education assets. For small shops without designers or editors, that cuts content production time while keeping messaging consistent across every screen. The page even notes that shops using video overviews can increase online visibility, while infographics support higher engagement. One example cited is a repair shop that increased customer inquiries by 30% after launching a video series built from existing expertise. If you want more bookings from mobile-first customers, start with one service page and turn it into content your market can actually see and act on.